back again, and I've got a European shirt. This shirt I love. I don't know why, I just love it. It's so simple. I do have a bit of negative feedback, but it's so simple. I love it, man. It's just so simple and straightforward. So it's got the Jeep, black and white. I love it when a sponsor goes well with a t-shirt. So this one, J, you know, black and white, looks good. It looks clean. I don't mind it. One thing I do have to say is this feels very cheap. It feels that if I wash this, I haven't worn this, so please don't say, oh, you haven't washed it before. I haven't worn it. If I wash this, it might fall apart, which I'm scared of. What I love, the logo, embroidered, nice, neat stitching, clean. That looks so good. Juventus, got the stars, got the nice stitched in J. Then obviously the Adidas logo stitched in nicely. The split, so we got the white sleeve with the black. Then we've got the white with the black sleeve. And then we've got the two different colour stripes. Back is very plain. Due to obviously numbering, they want people to put numbers etc. on. I may get a Ronaldo 7 name set for this, as that's my goat. I don't really have too much more to say, and I don't want to waste no more time. But yeah, really nice shirt, very clean. Yeah, so if this sponsorship wasn't so cheap looking, I think it would be very, very, very nice. It is very nice, but just the sponsor lets me down a little bit. But yeah, if you like it, comment. If you like, if you don't like, you can also comment, but let's not be rude. And I guess I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care.